Good morning everyone, this is Vishakha. Welcome to Crypto TV. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies rebound as Fed calms nerves. Bitcoin climbs above $20,000. Ethereum's Shadow Fork 9 goes live and lead up to the merge. Crypto lender Celsius Network reveals $1.19 billion hole in bankruptcy filing. ED probe show Indian crypto exchanges did not comply with rules. OpenSea lays off roughly 20% of its staff. Blockchain startup Fire raises $100 million at higher valuation. UnCaged Studios raises $24 million to support Web3 game developers. Tencent closes NFT platforms because of government policy. OKX secures license in Dubai, plans to open regional hub. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies rebounded in Friday morning Asian trades after the Federal Reserve Governor said he supported an interest rate hike of 75 basis points or 0.75 percentage point in July, easing fears of a larger 100 basis point raise to combat high inflation. Expectation of a 100 basis points rate hike at the Fed's July meeting gathered momentum after US consumer price inflation accelerated 9.1% in June, beating economists' forecast of 8.8% quickening. According to CME's FedWatch tool, which is based on Fed funds futures, the odds of a 100 BPS rate hike surged to 83% on Thursday morning, then divided to 45% a few hours later. By midday, traders were forecasting about a 50% probability for the historically aggressive move at the Fed's July 26-27 meeting. The big swings came after Fed Governor Christopher Waller said he expects the central bank will back a 75 basis point hike, adding that it would bring policy to a neutral level. Traders of federal funds on the CME exchange now see a 56% likelihood that the Federal Reserve will raise the target interest rate by 75 basis points to a range of 2.25% to 2.5% this month. A day earlier, the odds were seen at 20%. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was recently seen trading at around $20,400, up 0.4% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin earlier in the day climbed to 20,765 after Fed governor's comment. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded at around $1,180, up over 5% in a similar time span. Ethereum gains were also on the back of the network's ninth shadow fork going live amid testing for its upcoming merge. However, both the coins were down in the past hour, pointing to the fact that traders had booked some profit. The ninth shadow fork of Ethereum has gone live as the network continues to test its impending move from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus model. In order to complete the transition, Ethereum has been undergoing a series of test forks that copy data from the main network to a test environment network. During the ninth shadow fork, engineers concentrated on testing upgrades and the releases used in the recent Sepolia hard fork, but on a more intensive network. The shadow fork moves the project one step closer to the mainnet upgrade later this year. The third and final testnet merge, Goerli, is scheduled for next month. Celsius Network showed a $1.19 billion deficit on its balance sheet in a bankruptcy court filing on Thursday, a day after the cryptocurrency lender filed for Chapter 11. New Jersey-based Celsius froze withdrawals last month, citing extreme market conditions, cutting off access to savings for individual investors and sending tremors through the crypto market. In the filing at the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for Southern District of New York on Thursday, Celsius also said it had $40 million in claims against Singapore-based Three Arrows Capital, a crypto hedge fund that filed for bankruptcy earlier this month. As of July 13, Celsius had about 23,000 outstanding loans to retail borrowers, totaling $400 million backed by collateral with a market value of $765.5 million in digital assets, it added. The Enforcement Directorate has reportedly found that India's top cryptocurrency exchanges have allowed citizens of several countries, including the US, Brazil, and Germany, to carry out transactions on their platforms without complying with Know Your Customer guidelines and anti-money laundering rules. The probe also revealed that these crypto exchanges received investments of around $1 billion in the last 3 years from global capital ventures such as Sequoia, Tiger Global, etc. However, the exchanges did not disclose these investments, and the Reserve Bank of India mandated foreign exchange cross-provisions return filings in many cases. The ED investigation also found that Indian cryptocurrency exchanges transferred control of entire deposits of Indian users transacting on their platforms using the wallet system of foreign crypto exchanges without any formal pact between them, which, according to the agency, is prone to high risk. The probe also revealed that leading cryptocurrency exchanges such as WazirX, CoinDCX, and CoinSwitch have facilitated foreign users to convert one crypto to another using third-party foreign exchanges based overseas such as Coinbase, HitBTC, and earn commission on the same. NFT marketplace OpenSea has laid off about 20% of its staff, CEO Devin Finzer announced in a tweet on Thursday. Finzer said the layoffs put the company in position to weather up to 5 years of depressed conditions at OpenSea's current volume and not have to have further layoffs. OpenSea joins a number of crypto firms, many of them exchanges that have laid off staff or paused hiring in recent months. Gemini, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Bullish.com have all announced layoffs recently. Layer 1 blockchain company Fire has raised $100 million at a valuation of $1.5 billion from UK-based SRAM and MRAM Group. Fire, founded in August last year by Pratik Gauri, Pratik Dwivedi, and Wilma Matila, had earlier raised funding of $21 million in its seed round at a valuation of $110 million in October last year. The London-headquartered SRAM and MRAM Group is headed by Dr. Sailesh and operates in agricultural and agro-food products, neural networks, artificial intelligence, hedge fund management, foreign exchange management, hospitality services and solutions, information technology, media, and publishing. In a statement, the company's co-founder Gauri said that the valuation jump had come owing to 12 pending patents and all the other proof of benefit consensus that Fire has built. The startup will use the capital to expand its team of 100 employees and develop its technology. It intends to primarily serve businesses with its blockchain. Web3 gaming company UnCaged Studios has raised $24 million in a Series A equity funding round on July 14, with participation from Griffin Gaming Partners, We Games, Maverick Ventures, Israel, Drive-By DraftKings, and Sixth Man Ventures. According to a spokesperson from UnCaged Studios, the company is now valued at over $150 million. UnCaged will use the funding to develop its Solana-based esports franchise, Monkey League, ahead of its public launch at the end of the year. The money will also be used for future projects on its native game OS platform, which supports those entering blockchain gaming through its end-to-end developer platform. From tokenomics to non-fungible token integration, it is intended to help gaming companies make the switch from Web 2 to Web 3. That's all for the news today. Have a good day. This is me, Vishakha, signing off.